Hey everyone, it's Belinda. Today's video is going to be a Revit plugin overview on Palladio X BIM WindowsLayout. This is a free plugin available on the Autodesk App Store. I'll link it in the description below. Let's see how it works. So here's a hospital project that I'm working on right now. I have a couple of windows open, some plan views and a three-dimensional view. I'm going to go to the View tab and hit the Tile button. By default, Revit automatically creates equally sized windows in the available workspace. This isn't ideal because if I want to see a particular view in more detail, zooming in doesn't give me the whole picture. I could just close one of the windows and then maximize another, but it's still a lot of unnecessary manual work. So I'm going to go to the Autodesk App Store and look for this Palladio X BIM WindowsLayout plugin. It's a free plugin and it's a very simple, easy download process. Once this is done, I'm going to go back to my project, go to the Add-ins tab and look for the new Windows layout options available. While my 3D view is the current active view, I'm going to pick the left layout option. So what this plugin does is that it assumes I want my active window to get the most amount of screen space, while the inactive windows are going to stay on the screen but move off to the side. So in this case, I make the active 3D view the dominant view, while the other three windows are pushed off to the right side. I can also choose to make this current view appear on the right, as well as on the top, or even the bottom. This plugin lets me control how much screen space my current view takes up. Using the bigger and smaller options, I can choose to move it from just 20% to all the way to 80% of the screen space. Another time-saving feature it has are these save and load buttons. If I find a particular layout that works for me, I can always hit the save button and then play around with that view and zoom into it. But when I'm ready to go back to the layout, I can just hit load and it restores my previous Windows configuration. Also, if I ever maximize one of the side views, hitting load also takes me back to the previous Windows configuration. This plugin also has the tile option, same as the regular inbuilt Revit function, so you can see them all as equally sized windows. You could also cascade all the windows if you'd like. I feel like this plugin is one of those small, subtle things in life you never knew you needed, but once you start using it, you can't imagine life without it. It's free to download, so go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on automation and building construction. Until next time, I'm Belinda. Thanks for watching.